yourself.
What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm trying to be disciplined. I told y'all, Monday, Friday, right? Monday, Friday. You know how sometimes you would get something and you wanna open it up a lot sooner than you're supposed to? That's kind of like how I feel about my videos, especially with recording in advance and then scheduling them to be released. It's something that I'm getting used to, man. So if you're watching it today, man, welcome back to the channel, man. And I got something real special for y'all, real special. I'm super excited about today's video. Let's get into it. Got the box right here. Very small box, may I add. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Today is February 13th, 2024. So tomorrow's Valentine's Day. We're gonna get into what's inside this box, man, but it's a small box, and you know it's probably for one of the women in my house. But if you've been paying attention to sneaker news and you know what's been going on, you might already have a clue about what's inside this box. All right, so we got a pull tab. We haven't had one of these in a while. Come on, be good to me. Boom. It was good to me, man. Let's get it out of here. Let's get this box open, man. Man. Whew. Beautiful texture to the box, honestly, man. I've seen this on various different videos of people doing reviews on Kobe's. We purchased a pair of the Grinch Kobe's on the aftermarket 2 years ago. We paid almost $1,000 for those. I think we paid, about roughly $1,000 for my son for those, and it was a Christmas gift, and he wore them and played in a ton of basketball games in them. This shoe is gonna serve the same purpose for another hooper in the house, and this one got a smaller foot, man. But anyway, let's open this box real quick. Boom. Got some standard tissue paper. Clean box though, man. Almost remind me of like a matte finish to the inside of this box. Very clean, I like that. Standard tissue paper, and they coming in hot. Whew. Man. We got the Air Kobe. Did I say that right? Nah, it ain't the Air Kobe. I'm thinking about Air Jordan. We got the Nike Kobe 8 Pronto Court Purple and White, man. What y'all think about that, man? All right, man, so listen, this is history in the making on the Mud Talk Radio channel. This is the first time I've unboxed a pair of Kobe's. I'm gonna be honest with you. I have missed on so many raffles on Kobe sneakers, and the reality is, like, a lot of people buy the shoes for resale value, the hype on the sneaker, or just to say they got it. And let's be honest, man, I'm gonna be real. Ain't too many people just rocking Kobe's like that, just wearing them just to be wearing them. This is a shoe for a hooper, man. This is for a hooper. So every time I try to get a Kobe, it's because I have hoopers in my house, man. People that are gonna actually play basketball in these shoes. And you will say, well, Coach, do people not play in Jordans? No, hoopers don't wear Jordans, bruh. They might wear Jason Tatum's, and I'm gonna be honest, the only reason you might see hoopers in Jason Tatum's is because A, they're in the NBA, or B, they play for a college that is sponsored by Jordan Brand, and they have those as an option because they're much more suited to play in than any of the retro Jordans. If I ever see somebody pull up in a pair of retros to play basketball, nine times out of 10, they can't hoop, bro. 9 times out of 10, they can't hoop. It's not a shoe that's built for performance. Maybe it used to be. That's what makes Jordan the GOAT, honestly, because he was able to play in those. But if you're talking about comfort, you're talking about the design, the weight of a shoe, this Kobe, man, is right on par with what you would want for a basketball shoe. And let's break it down real quick. It's a very simple colorway, white and court purple. You got kind of that, I want to say this like an ice bottom right there. It's real cool. I like the way that looks. You got some pops of black right there on the sole. Of course, you got the Mamba logo right there. And all over the shoe, you have 8 and 24. I believe these sneakers were released on 2/8/24, and they released 2 colorways. I entered both raffles, my wife entered both raffles, and I was surprised that I actually hit. Like, I thought it was an L. I entered it with like the most negative mindset ever. I was like, there's no way I'm about to win, but I'm gonna enter anyway. I told my wife to win, and I got a notification right away. I was like, got him. I'm like, wow. With Valentine's Day on the way, Twin about to be happy tomorrow, man. If you're watching this video right now, tell me what you think about Valentine's Day. Is it the day that you celebrate? We believe in our house that we celebrate each other as often as we can. We love each other, and we don't just narrow it down to one day. I don't think I place a ton of value on Valentine's Day. The reason I go in for my daughter is because I don't want her to ever grow up and see another man or expect another man to do anything else than what her dad has done. You know what I'm saying? Or at least have a standard set already for what a man should be doing. I'm trying to find my words right, because I'm talking about my 17-year-old daughter here. But I get her flowers. I got her some flowers, you know what I'm saying? A little money bouquet, you know, we got that done. I wish I could show it to y'all. I just picked it up, honestly. Got a money bouquet, and on top of that, I hit for the Kobe's, man. So I think Valentine's Day gonna be pretty good for my 17-year-old. So I gotta give you my rating for this shoe before we get out of here. We ain't gonna talk about styling, or we could talk about styling. Listen, if you put these on, you better be a hooper. I'm just being honest, man. I wish resellers would stop buying Kobe's, but it ain't gonna happen. I wish that dudes that don't actually, or people that don't actually play basketball would stop buying the Kobe's. This shoe was produced for hoopers, man, and I feel like it really should be available for hoopers only. Yes, Kobe fans, I get y'all want them. Y'all know me, I'm a LeBron fan. He's my favorite player of all time, but I respect Kobe as one of the greatest of all time. But this shoe is strictly for hoopers, man. So that's why I got it for my daughter, to play basketball in, not to resell. Even though I know on GOAT that the shoe, I could make, you know, probably $120, $140 off of selling this shoe, but that's not what I got it for. I got it for my daughter because I know she's gonna actually play ball in it. I bought the Grinch Kobe's because I know my son actually gonna play ball in it. But either way, let me stop rambling. I gotta give y'all my rating. I'm feeling good, man. Y'all see my energy? Y'all feel my energy? No? Yes? Yeah. We going 9 out of 10, man, for the Kobe 8 Pronto Court Purple, man, in white, bruh. 9 out of 10, gang. That is the highest rating on the Mud Talk radio channel for 2024. And I see it staying at the top for a while because I've seen all the sneaker releases that are coming up soon, and that includes the Bread 4s, that includes, you know, a few other hype sneakers out there. We going 9 out of 10, bruh, and I'm sticking with this. I'm standing 10 toes down on this. And if you don't feel that way, drop it in the comment section. Let me know why. Let me know why, gang. But as always, you know the saying, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.